It's simple yet mouth-watering yogurt-based curry made with lauki and a fragrant tadka. It is so satisfying and delicious that it's a sure shot to become a favorite. Hope you all give this one a try. A very warm welcome to my channel Time to Cook. As a prep, peel the lauki, divide to half in half and make 4 vertical lines to make big chunks. Veggie ingredients are Bottlegourd, curry leaves and garlic. Seasoning ingredients are roasted cumin seeds powder, pink salt, turmeric powder, coriander seeds powder, Kashmiri red chilli powder, dried fenugreek leaves and kitchen king masala. Press saute tab, add 1 teaspoon of oil, add garlic and saute until garlic turns light golden in color. To it add coriander powder, turmeric, kitchen king masala, chilli powder and salt. Add 1/4 cup of water and saute the masala for 10 to 15 seconds. Add more water if you need to and make sure the masalas don't burn. Add the lauki and mix well and fry for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1 cup of water and secure the lid. Set the knob to the sealing position and press pressure cook or manual tab for 8 minutes. Allow natural release. When the knob is down, open the lid. It's perfect, like the lauki is not mushy and you will be able to cut through a piece. If lauki is too watery, then at this point turn on IP and fry until most of the water evaporates. I am taking 2 cups of fresh batch of homemade yogurt. If you have sour yogurt, then just 1 cup of yogurt should be fine. Whisk the yogurt until smooth. Then gently add the whisked yogurt and mix. Yogurt would not curdle as we aren't turning on the IP. Before adding yogurt, we have already adjusted the consistency by evaporating excess water. Now add kasuri methi for nice fragrant and roasted cumin seeds powder. To prepare the tadka, in a small bowl add oil or ghee. Ghee really gives nice flavor, and add cumin seeds and few curry leaves. Micro for 50 seconds. Lastly, add Kashmiri red chilli powder for color and then quickly pour the tadka over the Dahi Lauki. Allow the tadka to merge with the gravy. Isn't it really quick and simple to prepare? This light, satisfying and a sure shot hit dinner recipe. When you try once, I'm 100% sure you will be addicted to its taste to prepare it frequently. I pair this humble dish with khichdi, makes a complete meal combo. So I will see you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, God bless and stay connected. Bye bye.